In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 3D cube in Figma in just 5 minutes. First and foremost, open your browser and go to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that many designers love for its powerful and user-friendly features. Once you're on the Figma homepage, look for the Login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and if you're not logged in already, enter your credentials to access your Figma account. It's essential to be logged in to create and save your design projects, so make sure you're all set up before proceeding further. Once you're logged in, the next step is to head to your Figma home screen. This is where you can view all your recent projects and drafts. If you're unsure how to get there, simply click on Home from the menu options. This will bring you to the main workspace where you can start creating your 3D cube. Now on the home screen, you should see an option called Design. It's a crucial area because this is where all your creative ideas come to life in Figma. Click on Design to enter the design workspace. Within the design workspace, you'll find numerous tools and options available to you. Here, you will want to select the Action button, which is prominently displayed in the user interface. Clicking on Action will open a search bar where you can look for specific tools or functions. In the search bar, type 3D Cube, and a range of results associated with 3D Cube design and manipulation will appear. From the search results, identify and click on 3D Shape Generator. This is a fantastic tool that will assist you in creating the 3D cube. The shape generator is intuitive and easy to use, helping you to bring your digital designs into the three-dimensional realm with simple steps. Once you've selected the 3D shape generator, you'll be prompted with an option to run the generator. Clicking Run will activate the tool and you'll be able to see your 3D cube take form. The tool specializes in transforming flat designs into dynamic 3D objects, making it a breeze to visualize concepts with depth. By following these steps, you'll successfully create a 3D cube in Figma, adding a new dimension to your design projects. Whether you're enhancing a presentation or experimenting with new visual ideas, understanding how to leverage Figma's tools effectively can elevate your creations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so continue to explore and refine your skills in Figma to become more proficient over time. Happy designing!